The door was unlocked, like you said. I'll be wearing a red strip. And I won't... What the fuck? Fucking bitch.
Wait, what'd she write? Be wearing a red skirt. Won't be wearing panties.
The door was unlocked, like you said.
Sit the fuck down. That's not who we expected, was it? Con tu fala de 3 pesos.
I don't know about...
Stop fucking lying! Daniel told us everything.
I'm not expecting anyone. It's a misunderstanding. I'll show you. It's there.
Oh, we've seen the fucking messages, don't worry.
I'm gonna fucking kill you! Really? My fiancé, fucking fiancé!
Now, we came to expose this bitch, not whoop her ass.
You wanted to react. She said that I should have known something. Well, she said that Daniel was cheating with you.
What? Daniel's gay now? I can't believe this bitch.
I didn't do anything.
You did so much. You know what? The fuck out of Daniel's house. I would never speak to you again, ever in my fucking life.
You wanted to know the plan? That was the plan. To see your faces.
You're fucking sick.
Maybe. But I'm not the one playing both sides. Sophia, did you tell her a little secret yet?
Fucking kill this bitch!
No, wait. I thought you said that we were taking a chill, right? So what's the secret?
There's no secrets.
What secret?
There's no secrets. It's crazy.
Shit.
We won't be well.
Thanks God it was the phone. Bitch. That's not. No, I'm sorry. I just have the.
Mamma mia!
Okay.
So what was the plan?
I'm not expecting anyone.
Oh!